Most luxury cars become forgotten the second they get old. Their technology ages badly, their styling feels outdated, and eventually, people stop caring they ever existed. But this car was different. Because when it first arrived in America, people didn't just ignore it, they rejected it. Dealers struggled to sell it. Buyers called it ugly. Critics thought it represented everything wrong with old American luxury. And within just a few years, this car went from expensive status symbol to unwanted used car. Nobody imagined it would survive. But decades later, collectors are now hunting for clean examples. Auction prices keep climbing, and the same luxury car Americans laughed at has quietly become one of the most desirable forgotten classics of its era. This is the unbelievable story of the Cadillac Alante, the American luxury car that failed spectacularly before becoming valuable. In the 1980s, Cadillac had a problem. America no longer viewed Cadillac as exciting. Mercedes-Benz was growing rapidly, BMW was becoming cool, and wealthy buyers suddenly wanted European luxury instead of giant American cruisers. Cadillac knew it needed something dramatic, something modern, while most people ignored
something
it,
that could
a
compete
smaller
with
group
Europe
noticed something different.
So General Motors
They
made
weren't
one of the
chasing
strangest
trends.
decisions
They weren't
in
influenced
automotive
by
history.
popularity.
Instead
They were
of designing the
paying
car
attention to what the
completely
car
in America,
actually offered.
they partnered with Italy.
And what they saw
Not just
surprised
any
them.
company either.
The car was
Pininfarina,
consistent.
the legendary
handled
Italian
daily
design
driving
house,
without problems.
responsible for some of the
It
most
didn't demand
beautiful
constant
Ferraris
maintenance.
ever created.
It delivered a smooth,
Cadillac believed this
predictable
partnership
experience.
would change everything.
Nothing flashy.
The plan sounded
nothing
brilliant.
dramatic.
An
but
American
everything
luxury
dependable.
roadster with
And for
Italian
these buyers,
styling
that mattered
built to
more
fight
than
Mercedes
excitement.
and BMW.
Because excitement fades,
On paper,
but
it
reliability
sounded
stays.
unstoppable.
They
But the
realized
reality
something
became
most
far
people missed.
stranger.
This
Because
car
building
wasn't
the
designed to
Alante
impress
turned
quickly.
into one of the most
It was
expensive
designed to
and
last.
complicated automotive
And because
projects
it wasn't popular,
GM had ever
they could
attempted.
buy it for less.
The
much
bodies
less.
were built in Italy
So they
by
did,
Pininfarina.
quietly.
Then they were
without
literally
attention,
flown across the
without
Atlantic
validation
Ocean
from
to
others,
America,
just
inside
based on
specially
what they
modified
understood.
Boeing 747
And once
cargo
they owned
planes.
it, their experience didn't
Cadillac
match the
was
reputation.
flying car bodies
The
from
car
Italy
didn't break
to Detroit.
unexpectedly.
That
It
sounds
didn't create
insane
problems.
today. It
Because
didn't
honestly,
justify the doubts
it was
surrounding
insane
it.
back then too.
Instead, it
The
delivered
entire process
exactly what it
became
promised.
incredibly expensive.
Consistency.
And Cadillac hoped
That
buyers would
consistency
see the
built
Alante
confidence.
as a sophisticated,
And confidence
world-class luxury
changes
car
behavior.
worth the cost.
Because when owners
Then
trust
finally,
something, they don't
the
rush
car
to
arrived.
replace it. And America
They
didn't
don't
know
feel
what
the
to
need
think.
to sell it
Some
quickly.
people love the
They
idea
keep it.
instantly.
And
But
that's
many
where the
buyers
shift
were
began.
confused.
Because
while
the
the
Alante
broader
didn't
market
look like a
continued
traditional
ignoring
Cadillac,
this car,
more
these
European.
owners were doing something
And
important.
for older Cadillac
they
customers,
were holding on to it.
that was a problem.
For longer than expected.
Meanwhile, younger
Which meant
luxury
fewer
buyers
units were
still
returning to the
preferred
market.
Mercedes and
At
BMW.
first, that didn't seem significant.
So the Alante became
Listings were
trapped
still available.
between two
Prices were
completely
still
different
low.
worlds.
Everything
Too
looked
modern
normal.
for traditional
But over
Cadillac
time,
buyers.
that
But
pattern
not
started to
prestigious enough
matter.
for European luxury
Fewer
fans.
owners were selling.
That
Fewer
mistake
clean
damaged the
examples
car
were showing up.
immediately, and the
And
supply
things got
began
even
to
worse
shrink.
once people saw
Slowly,
the price.
almost
The Alante
invisibly,
was
but
expensive,
consistently.
very
And
expensive.
consistency creates
At one
change.
point, it cost nearly
Because
the
when
same
supply
as some
starts to
Mercedes
drop,
models.
even
Buyers
slightly,
trusted far
it sets
more.
the stage for something
and once
bigger.
customers started
At
comparing
this
them
point,
side by side,
most people still
Cadillac
weren't paying
struggled
attention
badly. The car was
because
still
despite
overlooked,
the Italian
still
styling,
undervalued.
the Alante still
Still
felt partially
easy to
American
ignore.
underneath. But
Some
the
critics
conditions
complained
around
the
it were no
performance
longer the same.
wasn't aggressive enough.
Availability
Others
was
thought the
changing.
interior lacked
Options
true
were becoming
European
limited.
sophistication.
And although demand
The car
hadn't
wasn't
increased
terrible.
yet,
Far
the
from
balance
it.
was starting to
But it
shift.
arrived during a
And
brutal
once that
era
balance
of
begins to
competition.
move, luxury
It doesn't
buyers
stay
in the
hidden
late
forever.
1980s were
Eventually,
obsessed with status.
people noticed.
And unfortunately
Buyers
for
who had
Cadillac,
ignored the car
European
before
brands had
started
become
seeing
the
something
new
different.
status symbol.
It wasn't as
The
easy
Alante
to find
never
anymore.
fully escaped that
The
reality.
best examples were
Sales
disappearing.
stayed weak.
Listings
slowly,
were fewer.
The car became
And that
viewed as
created
another failed
curiosity.
Cadillac experiment.
Because when something
But
becomes
here's
harder to
where the
find,
story changes
people
completely.
start asking questions.
Because while the public
Why is it
focused on what
disappearing?
the Alante wasn't,
Why aren't people selling?
collectors
Is there
decades later
something I
started
missed?
appreciating what
Those
it actually
questions
was.
lead to
And
attention.
what it was,
and attention
was
leads
incredibly
to
unique.
discovery.
Think
Buyers
about it.
began to
How many
realize
American
something
luxury
important.
cars were styled
The
by
people
one of
who
Italy's
owned
most
these
legendary
cars
design
weren't in a
companies?
hurry to let
Almost
them go.
none. They kept them.
How many American
not
cars
because
had
they had no
bodies
choice,
literally flown across
but because
the ocean
they
by
were
airplane
satisfied before final
The
assembly.
ownership experience
Almost
was
none.
stable. The
Predictable,
Alante suddenly
free
became
from
something
constant
special.
issues, not because
And
it
over
dominated
time,
sales,
that
but because
consistency
no car
became
like
visible,
it will ever exist
which
again.
slowly changed
Modern
perception.
car companies would never
At
spend
first,
that much
only
money
slightly,
building something this
then more
complicated
clearly.
today.
The entire project
shifted
feels almost
from not
unbelievable
worth considering,
now.
and
to
collectors
maybe there's
love
something
cars with
here.
strange stories. And once that shift
Especially
begins,
failed luxury
it
cars.
grows. Because
Demand
failure
starts
often
to
creates
build.
rarity.
Quietly
And
at
rarity
first,
creates
then
value.
with more confidence.
Over time,
And
clean
as demand
Alante started
increases,
disappearing.
prices respond.
Many were neglected.
Not
Some
suddenly,
developed
not
expensive
dramatically,
maintenance problems,
but steadily.
Others were scrapped
Enough
once
to
their
make
value
people
collapsed.
Enough
For
to
years,
change how
these
the cars
cars
became
viewed.
shockingly cheap.
And that's the moment
you could buy
everything
one for
changes.
almost nothing.
Because
And most
once
people
perception
still didn't
shifts,
care.
value follows.
Then the collector market
The
started
same
changing.
car that once felt
Enthusiasts
invisible
began
now
searching
feels
for
limited.
forgotten luxury cars.
The same
from
car
the
that once
1980s
had no
and
demand
1990s
now requires effort
cars
to
with
find.
personality.
And
Cars
the same
that
car
represented
people ignored,
risks.
now
Now carries a
manufacturers would
different
never
meaning.
take today.
Opportunity.
And suddenly,
But here's the part
the
most
Cadillac
people
Alante
miss.
became
By the time
interesting
something
again.
becomes obvious,
People
the
started
opportunity
noticing
is already
the
gone.
elegant Italian
Because
styling,
markets don't
the
wait.
unique proportions,
They move quietly.
the handmade
They
feeling,
reward early
the bizarre
decisions,
airplane
and they
transportation
rarely give
story.
second chances.
What once looked
That's
strange
what makes this story
now
so
looked
interesting.
fascinating.
The car
And
itself
maybe the
didn't
most
change.
important thing of all,
Engineering stayed the
the
same.
Alante represented
The
a moment when
experience
Cadillac
stayed
was
the same.
actually trying.
Only one
Trying to
thing
reinvent
changed.
itself. Awareness.
Trying to compete globally.
People finally
trying to
noticed
become
what was
exciting
always
again.
there. And
That
once that
ambition
happens,
matters to collectors
there's no
now.
going back.
Because even
Because
though the
now,
Alante failed
it's not just a
commercially,
car.
it wasn't
It's a
boring.
missed
Not
opportunity.
even close. And missed
today,
opportunities
boring cars
always
rarely
become
become
valuable.
collectible.
So the
Weird
next time
cars
you
do.
see something being
Unique
ignored,
cars do.
don't
Risky
dismiss it
cars
immediately. The
Look
Alante was
closer.
all three. Because sometimes
Modern luxury
the things
cars
nobody
often
wants
feel
today
similar to each other.
become the things
Huge
everyone
screens,
searches for
soft
tomorrow.
touch
buttons,
And by the
identical
time
shapes.
you realize it,
But the Alante
you're
feels
already too
completely
late.
different. It belongs to a strange experimental era of automotive history when companies still took enormous risks trying to stand out. And the longer time passes, the more valuable that uniqueness becomes. Today, clean, low-mileage Alantes are becoming much harder to find. Collectors search for original examples. Auction interest continues growing, and enthusiasts who once ignored the car are finally starting to respect it. Not because it was perfect, but because it was brave. The Cadillac Alante dared to be something different. An American luxury car with Italian design. A transatlantic engineering experiment. A Cadillac unlike any Cadillac before it. And maybe that's why collectors want them now. Because the automotive industry doesn't build strange emotional projects like this anymore. Everything today is safer, more corporate, more predictable. The Alante came from a time when automakers were willing to gamble millions, chasing impossible dreams, even if they failed. And in the end, that failure may have become the exact reason the car is finally valuable today. America rejected the Cadillac Alante when it was new, but decades later, collectors realized something important. Cars this weird, this ambitious, and this unforgettable don't come around very often. And once they disappear, people suddenly want them